Hi. So here we have a set based on alligation. The question says the following table presents the sweetness of different items relative to sucrose whose sweetness is taken to be 1. So if sucrose's sweetness is 1, all of these are relative sweetnesses. Okay, fine. So what is the minimum amount of sucrose to the nearest gram that must be added to 1 gram of saccharin? So we have sucrose and we are adding sucrose and saccharin. Okay, sucrose sweetness is 1 and saccharin sweetness is 675. So what is the quantity? So let's say x gram of sucrose is mixed with y grams of saccharin. Sorry, 1 gram of saccharin. So it's mixed with 1 gram of saccharin such that the mixture contains 100 times or mixture is 100 times as sweet as glucose. So glucose's sweetness is 0.74. So 100 times of this is 74. So the mixture's overall sweetness should be 74. So individual sweetnesses are 1 and 675. Overall sweetness should be 74. So we can use alligation over here, right? So we have 675 minus 74 is 601. 74 minus 1 is 73. So here we have x upon 1 is 601 upon 73. X upon 1 using alligation rule, x upon 1 is 601 upon 73. So 601 upon 73 is approximately 8.23 grams. Hence the correct answer here will be option B, 8 grams. The weight in the nearest gram must be 8 grams here. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Approximately how many times sweeter than sucrose is a mixture consisting of glucose, sucrose and fructose? So we have glucose, sucrose and fructose mixed in the ratio of 1:2:3. So 1 gram, 2 grams and 3 grams is mixed, let's say. Okay. So here what we basically need to do is we need to calculate the weighted average. So weighted average sweetness. So the weighted average sweetness will be 1 gram of glucose into glucose's sweetness, which is 0.74, plus 2 grams of sucrose into sucrose's sweetness, which is 1, plus 3 grams of fructose into fructose's sweetness, 1.7. This is the total sweetness of 6 grams. So per gram sweetness will be by 6. So we have 0.74 plus 2 plus 5.1 by 6. So this comes out to be 567, 7.1, 0.74, 0.84. 7.84 divided by 6 over here, right? So 7.84 divided by 6 is approximately 1.306. So now we need to answer approximately how many times sweeter than sucrose. So if sucrose's sweetness is 1 and the sweetness of this is 1.3, so 1.3 is 1.3 times of 1. So the correct answer here will be option A, 1.3. Thank you.